My name is Eric Michael Ando-Hodgson, and currently I'm the coordinator for Citrus Bees and Livelihood Project, working for Bees for Development Ghana. And recently we had our workshop, and after the workshop we need to do the follow-up, monitor the farmers, how they are undertaking their basket hives. So we'll be heading towards Aswanse, one of the communities under the project, and we find out how they are making their basket hives and how they are coping with the training that we gave it to them recently. So join me as we go to Aswanse and we visit the farmers and also find out how they are making their hives.
We currently in a air palm plantation, trying to fetch some palm fronds to go and make basket hive. So the beneficiaries of our Bees Citrus Livelihood Project are busy cutting down palm fronds to prepare it for the basket hive. So we done cutting and we are taking them back home. Okay, so we are finally home. And we are going to cut all these, in addition to some bamboos that we fetched. Basically, for a basket hive, you will need palm fronds and then bamboos. So we have to split the bamboos into smaller sizes that we can use to make the basket hive. So we're done splitting and cutting everything. We're going to start our hive making very shortly. So we make a circle on the ground and then we put the bamboos that we cut round the circle to begin our basket hive. Once that is done, we start weaving using the palm fronds the back of the palm frond that we cut earlier. So weaving of the basket hive has just started, and participants or the beneficiaries of our project are busy working. Gradually, we are getting closer and closer to finishing our basket hive. You could see everybody is busy doing one thing or the other.
have one of the participants here to tell us their progress in the basket hive project that we are undertaking in the citrus zone.
I'm Peter. I'm from Ghana.
Good. Please, can you tell us the materials that you are using for the basket hive?
Okay. I used palm front and by to do this, and for the fasten, I will use clay and sawdust to fasten the walls.
Okay. So when you finish the fasten using the clay and that of sawdust or the clay that you use to plaster eggs, and after you have finished, what is next? How are you going to get it finished? How are you going to yes?
Okay. After doing the basket and everything is set, then I'll send the basket to my apiary and mount it. And when I'm
After getting one hive or after getting one basket hive, will it be the end of it, or you plan on increasing your basket hive to make a lot of money from the beekeeping?
yes, I'll plan to be at least 10 hives, local hives, and the other one with plywood and things, and other hives, pot ones. So I'm trying to get that one 3 and this one 10. Roughly, I've estimated 20 hives.
Well, I know that now you have promised me and you have promised bees for development that indeed going forward you're going to make a lot of money, that in future when you come back and visit you see that indeed your life has been improved. We thank you so much for participating in this project, and we wish to see you another time when we come for the monitoring. Thank you.
Thank you too.